Major stock market indices and the ETFs that track them, such as the QQQ ETF that tracks the Nasdaq index, tend to have fewer sharp swing points when compared to individual stocks. This is mainly due to indices being an average of broad stock market price movement, which is reflected in the aggregated price movement of indices and the ETFs that track them. This means candle patterns can be less clear, and there can be delayed confirmation of reversal candles. Such an issue can be remedied by combining multiple candles. This is most effective at established support and resistance areas. The candles that compose this rounded top essentially demonstrate rejection of higher prices, forming a longer upper wick when they are all combined into one candle, basically upper wick rejection. Combine the candles where the opening price begins with the opening price of this bearish engulfing and the closing price ends this combination at the close of the gravestone doji, and the high is the highest point and the low is the lowest low of the candles. That forms a clear candle similar to a bearish star, the long vertical line indicating upper wick rejection, and the concentration of most of the real body towards the lower third of the candle. A similar case beginning with another bearish engulfing pointing to a possible downward reversal once more. Same thing, the open is the open of the first candle, the close is the close of the last candle in the group of combined candles, the high is the highest high of the candle group, the low is the lowest low of all the candles. The result is one large bearish candle, demonstrating general price action seen with a bearish star, and it also helps this forms at an established resistance range. These two prices of combining candle price action were useful during a time when the market was bearish to neutral overall. At the time, this formed an upper boundary in the short to medium term context. Due to the combined price action of the candles in these groups, pointing to weakness in maintaining these higher prices.